May bago na naman tayong kalaban, boy. Sino naman ang susunod?
Wipe out all the injustice in the world. Dragonborn is back.
Please pick a hero.
Siya, boy. Hindi siya, boy. Bilis ako.
Need some stitches? I can help.
Sabits yan, boy. Sabits yan. Sino ang susunod na aking ibabalagbag? Sabi lang kayo. Subscribe lang at like mga idol. Ayan yung kalaban ko. Amos to Melissa. Papalag ba yan? Tatlo muna.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Papalag ba yan? Yan papalag, boy.
Your turn, Mo. Just a small fight.
Tapos
Play out.
madali, boy. Ano to? Amos pa to, boy? Amos to, boy? Amos to, boy? Ano to, boy? Amos pa to, boy? Ano to, boy? Amos to, boy?
Look at them. Wandering like pathetic abandoned dolls. First blood.
Palakpag! Bigyan, boy, para mas lalo magalit, boy. Early pa lang.
To forget how to flavor may be the first one to taste it.
Ano, boy? Palagay, boy. Walang makakapalag ng Melissa ko, boy. Ano?
Business, not my thing. Annoyances. You got me. Killing spree.
Pagang!
Victory!
Palag! Sino susunod? Yeah.